Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. It's Louis Vuitton Day, guys. You know what that means. I will be sharing to you all the upcoming bags from Louis Vuitton. Of course, you know our drill. I will be sharing all the information for you, from prices, name, product codes, SKU, launch date, and product features. Just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And for orders, availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. Happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies this year. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us start with the Speedy 30 Soft. So this one, guys, has already launched November 14th, but also I would like to share it to you. The price is 2,800 euro or 3,250 USD. This is a Speedy Soft New York collection. The size is 30 in soft monogram canvas. It has vachetta leather trims, detachable strap, and detachable chain strap with bag tag as well. Next, we have the very beautiful Sunset Louis Vuitton monogram bag. Price is 2,200 euro or 2,500 USD. This is a re-edition, guys, of a 90s archival design. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, detachable vachetta top handle, and vachetta shoulder strap. It comes with gold hardware. Next, we have a new design bag, guys, that will be launching around November to December 2024. Capucines wallet on chain. Price of this one is 3,200 euro or 3,950 USD. Material is leather, of course. Color is no. It comes with leather top handle, detachable crossbody leather strap with trio chain strap, as we could see here. That is in color gold. Next, we have in the color noir. The price of this one is the same, 3,200 euro or 3,950 USD. We have SKU here. Material is leather. It comes with very beautiful gold hardware, and we're seeing that it comes with a top handle, detachable leather strap with chain strap, and this is how it looks like when worn by a model. Next colorway, we have the lipstick red. Price of this one is a little bit more affordable. That is 2,900 euro or 3,400 USD. Same material, of course, is leather with gold hardware. It comes with leather top handle. The detachable strap is crossbody style, and it comes with trio chain as well. Next, guys, we have the Vivienne Adventures box. The price of this one is available upon request, but we do have the SKU. So these features 8 different card and board games in square, hard case in monogram canvas with vachetta leather trims. Lining is microfiber. It features Vivienne in different colorways, as we have seen earlier. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Mal Lit designed by Pharrell. So this one, the price is available upon request. So guys, this one is a portable bed in Louis Vuitton hard-sided trunk designed by Pharrell Williams. As mentioned, the price is available upon request. So what do you think of this one, guys? Is anyone still ordering a portable bed nowadays? Maybe it is a good display at your home. This one I like better because it has the classic monogram detail. Unfortunately, for the price, it is available upon request, so kindly check with your CA. So this one is designed by Nicolas Ghesquière. Apologies for that one. So this is the Louis Vuitton Mal Lit by Nicolas Ghesquière. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Mal Lit in monogram. So for your reference, the price of this one is 160,000 euro. So this is more affordable compared to the $1 million Speedy, don't you think? So this is another folding bed in the hard-sided Louis Vuitton trunk. So this one is in the classic monogram canvas. For me, this is better because it is the classic style. Next, guys, next collection. So we have the Christopher MM EPI XL.
So the price of this one is 4,000 euro. So this is from the men's spring summer 2025 pre-collection. Material is EPI XL Heritage leather. It has cowhide leather trims. Color is Bordeaux. It would come with bag tag. It would come silver hardware, launching December 2024. Next, we have Keepall 50 bandolier. Price of this one is 4,200 euro. We have SKU here. Same collection. So guys, I'll be posting more once I have more info, but just take note of the launch date, which is December 2024, and we have the SKU here. So the colors Bordeaux. Material is EPI XL Heritage leather with cowhide leather trims with detachable leather strap that is fully adjustable. Next collection, guys, we have an exclusive 57 NYC collection. That'll be launching December 2024. First, we have the Vitrine wallet. Price of this one is 765. I do love the detail of this one. I love the stickers that it comes with. That is Vivian NYC theme. So materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather interior. I believe the color is John Saffron. Next, we have the Romy card holder. Price of this one is 600 USD. Still from the same collection. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims with NYC theme Vivian design. As you can see here, she is hailing a taxi cab. How cute. And guys, also notice that it has a Vivian button for the zipper. Next, we have a Charlotte pencil pouch. Price of this one is 485 USD. We have SKU here. So this one, same material, monogram canvas, and it has the Vivian NYC themed sticker. So we have the donut, we have an apple, we have the Louis Vuitton in neon, and of course the zipper pull tab is the Vivian button, still launching December 2024. Next, guys, we have the Louis Vuitton Trainer Maxi. Price of these in any colorway is 1,390 euro. Or 1,640 USD. So guys, please take note that every or different SKU for different colorways. So we have the blue, we have the red, we have white, and then we have the green. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Trainer sneaker. So this one, guys, is a little bit pricier. So this is 4,650 euro or 5,500 USD. And the reason for this one is because the entirety of the sneakers is embellished with Swarovski crystals. The color is mocha, so as you can see here, so this is the underneath of the shoes. Next, we have the Louis Vuitton Trainer sneaker. So this one is fairly affordable. Price is 1,130 euro or 1,340 USD. So colorway is purple, as you can see here, and I'm loving the contrast of the interior, which is red. So it has the number 54 at the back side of the sticker.
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a smiley emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all. Please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!